We designed Expedition's interior cabin to help establish a sense of calm and order. The centerpiece of this redesign is an all-new 24-inch panoramic display, coupled with a 13.2-inch center touchscreen. Expedition's new driver information display takes the place of a traditional gauge cluster, and its elevated position is strategically placed to help drivers see crucial information easily while keeping their eyes upward and out on the road ahead. You'll find new first-row seating designs with available heated, cooled, and massaging functions. In the second row, passengers will enjoy available heated captain seats. Those in the second row will also have easier access to center console features like cup holders and climate controls, thanks to Expedition's available flex-powered console. Plus, when the center console slides back, it reveals a hidden storage space in the front row, perfectly designed for small bag or purse. And in the third row, we added a new flexible bench seat. This new seating option is designed to add a long center aisle through the cabin, perfect for carrying adventure gear like skis or fishing rods. Expedition leaves no one behind, with seating for up to 8, and Expedition Max can fit even more cargo with nearly 12 inches of added storage.
Our customers live fast-paced lives. They need to stay connected to the things that matter most. The all-new Expedition is designed to ensure our customers experience a seamless digital connection when they hit the road. From the moment a customer sits behind the wheel of the all-new Expedition, they're immersed in their own one-of-a-kind personalized digital ecosystem. The Ford Digital Experience is the fastest infotainment system Ford has ever offered. Customers can create personalized accounts to access unique apps and content, all of which is displayed front and center, to help make time behind the wheel more enjoyable, whether you're on the road or parked. The available Ford Connectivity Package powers the Ford Digital Experience to give you access to navigation, your favorite music, podcasts, gaming, videos, and productivity apps, plus a Wi-Fi hotspot. Expedition's panoramic display works perfectly with the latest version of Blue Cruise hands-free highway driving. Owners will have a smoother hands-free driving experience, plus new features such as lane change assist, allowing the driver to change lanes hands-free at the tap of the turn signal, and in-lane repositioning, which subtly repositions your vehicle away from vehicles in adjacent lanes. Whether you're commuting to work or on a family road trip, Blue Cruise is here to help.